So, ayun, for today's video, it's currently May 11 and it's Mother's Day today here in Canada and makiki-Mother's Day tayo kina Christine. So, ayun guys, pupunta tayo ng Niagara today. Hopefully, mapuntahan yung Maid of the Mist and to have brunch lang. So, it's currently 7:54 a.m. So, 1 hour lang naman yung biyahe from here to Niagara. So, see you guys there! Mother's Day po!
Ala, wrong number.
Sobrang lamig.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day po, tita!
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, tita! Hindi, ako naman. Happy Mother's Day po.
Thank you.
Meal. O yung magkakaroon tayo ng problem dyan. Or meron.
So, ayun guys, nandito na tayo ulit sa Niagara. Guys, yung Niagara Speedway. Maganda. Ito yung sinakyan natin last time. Ito yung golf. Ito, dyan tayo nag-check-in last time that we went here. So, ayan, ngayon pababa tayo. And, di ko alam, saan ba tayo pupunta ngayon, be?
Maid of the Mist.
Pupunta tayo sa Maid of the Mist, guys.
Maid
sa
of the Mist
mismong
right now.
falls. Yun yung ride ng Niagara Falls. Guys. Malayo yung camera ko at hindi naman nakaka-zoom to. Kita silang dalawa, oh. Ulo mo.
Tapos na din.
Guys, ang boat tickets. Si Bessie. Nabili.
Boy, dito kasama ka. Hindi mo pa na-experience.
Ayan na, guys.
Elevator 1 and please. So,
Bye! The ticket, guys.
Ang boat natin ngayon is 35.
Wait, dalian nyo! Nakasuot na tayo ng ganito ngayon. At ready na. Ayan, nagsasuot sila ng garbage bag. Sila, guys. Ewan ko kung kita nyo yung mga kasama namin. Boat ba tawag dito? Ito na yung boats. Okay. Oh. Wow.
Si Papa.
Are you excited, CJ?
I am, yeah.
2017 daw was his last.
Ay, really?
Using Niagara
Si
City
Papa,
Cruises.
guys. Tapos ito si Biel, si Tito, si Tita, si CJ, tapos si Bianc. We're moving na. Oh, I look like Little Red Riding Hood.
Side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American and a recent notable rock fall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the second. Niagara Falls
Go, Bien.
is in fact
Tayo ka dyan.
the white
Mine.
foam floating.
Lapit ko na guys. Sobrang basa! Oh my God! Basang-basa na! Oh my God! Wala na akong makita! Grabe guys! Tanggal na yung makeup ko. Oh my God! Oh my gosh, may rain! One, two, three. Sobrang grabe to. Basang-basa na yung buong damit ko.
Wala tayong talang extra.
Nakabasa, diba? Oh my gosh!
Bell rainbow, oh. 3.
One, two, three. Isa pa. One, two, three. One, two, three. Tingin. Kaya ka makeup. Oh my God.
Sigurado ka din naman sa kalas.
Papa, pwede yan. Wow. Guys, I'm so wet. Like, buong sapatos ko.
Pasama-sa tayo. Wala tayong talang extra damit.
Oo nga, hindi ko din alam na mababasa tayo. Oh my God.
Talaga mo namamatayin ka na.
Yeah. Pero at least na-experience mo. Malta. Hindi ko na alam guys yung nangyari. Basang-basa na lang ako. Sobrang sarap ng lamig.
Basta sa matas natin.
Oo nga. Alipo nga ang hapon.
Tapos sa lamig na.
Dapat pala nag-sandals lang ako ngayon. Ayan, na-bless si tita. Happy Mother's Day, tita.
Mother's Day.
First time ko pumaligo ng sobrang lamig. Sabi ate mo, sa Niagara naligo sa bahay, hindi. Yun nga sabi ko, kaya di ako naligo kanina. Wow, basang-basa ka. Dito ka dapat nagka-cannibal eh. Sayo-sayo ka dito. Wala lang. Naka-wish granted? Nabasa ka na? Blessing. Grabe, nanginginig na yung kamay ko, bis. Saan ka muna sila? Enjoy ka pa?
Enjoy, super.
At least na-experience mo bago ka umuwi.
Ah, sobra.
Nis ka meron dito. Bili. Yan, nag-picture lang ako ngayon. Yan, bababa na kami guys. Tuyo niya rin yung, yung hangin. Napatuyo niya yung plastic be. Pagkatapos tayong basain. Opo. Sobrang basa ng sapatos. Grabe guys. Fresh from the bat. So ayun guys, ito na naman ang Rainbow Bridge. Meron silang hot air balloon dyan, no? Ayan ang US. Ito ang
Binilat.
ito, Binibirocha. Ayun guys.
I don't know.
Ang ganda. Ay, here.
Straight body. 1, 2. 1, 2.
So, dito na tayo sa IHOP. Nung nakaraang kinainan natin is Applebee's. So, menu guys.
Pero ayun yung menu nila. Chicken and waffles is my favorite. Chicken and waffles is what I usually order.
Really? Okay. But does the waffle have syrup pa din?
You add it.
Okay.
Hapon. Wow!
Looks good.
Oh yeah, you understand that. Brunch. Ayun yung in-order niya para makakain ako. Tapos, half-half na lang kami. Share-share kami.
Anong laman yan, Bianx?
Egg, bacon, and Christine. Ay, cheese pala.
And Christine.
Egg, bacon, at saka cheese yung laman. Kasi may isang blueberry cupcake. Strawberry.
Yan, ready na tayo sa ating pagkain. Thank you so much. Wow! Oh my gosh, guys. It's a lot. So, ginawa ko combo, guys. Ito yung New York cheesecake topped with cream cheese and topped with cheesecake and strawberries, tapos whipped cream. And then, ito yung combo. So, 2 side up, bacon, and then cheese. Let's eat. Ito na yung pagkain. Old fashion.
Tingnan niyo yung ano burger. Teka, papatok sa inyo. Uzi. Oh, teka mo. Sarap? Yeah. That's it. Thank you. The ranch is perfect. That's good.
We're done eating na, guys. So, I think we're gonna go to the Speedway. And, yeah, see you guys there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, again.
Ang galing, guys. So, gumagalaw. Guys, ang Speedway. May linya na nga. Ayan na, guys. Pa. Hi. Feeling right now. Ayan na, guys.
Nandito na tayo sa trading company ng Canada. We're gonna look for fridge magnet. Niagara Falls. Kaso nga lang kasi parang hindi safe yung magnet. Baka mabasag. Hindi siya yung full. Pwede naman sana to. Kaso nga lang, ito na yun. This is 279. Walang something unique. Ito. Yeah, this one's nice. Yeah, I'll get this one. I'll ask Papa first kung saan ang mas okay sa kanya. Guys, nasa sasakyan na tayo.
Yum, yum, yum. Brown cow. Brown.
Del, sarap.
I haven't tasted it. She got it first.
So, ayun guys. Andito na tayo sa bahay nila Christine. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa ko. Ito lang ng cookies. This is biscuit cookies. Tapos ito yung base ng soup, guys. Tapos ito cheese lang para sa samgyup mamaya. Guys, ang soup natin, egg drop soup. Guys, so ayan, it's dinner time. Ayan guys, may meat tayo. Tapos magagawa rin ng hotpot. Yan. It's dinner time. Ayan si Cheese Girl. Ready to fight na. Father's Day! Father's Day! Celebrate namin. Siya muna papa namin.
Pwede picturean nyo na. Baka nananagal ka.